Hello and welcome to the next installment of the Whole Food Plant-Based Lifestyle Medicine series. And this one, the last time we spoke about the different types of diets. Today we're going to be focusing again on the spectrum of plant-based diets and also on the movers and shakers and the people that inspired me to uh, be whole food plant based. And it all started with the plant based nutrition healthcare conference that I attended years ago when I was already very vegetarian. And it allowed me to realize and to follow the evidence that convinced me that medical science is proving more and more that the standard American diet is the cause of most disease. And so the whole food plant based diet, when we remove the dairy, the cheese, and the processed foods and focus on plant based diets, the evidence is so overwhelming, and most people don't really understand or believe the evidence that's there. And these are the movers and shakers of the movement. Um, the people that have inspired me is the Pritikin was one of the original ones that also inspired Dr. Michael Greger, which started with trying a camp that can allow people to eat healthy and to help to reverse their heart disease. Dean Ornish showed longevity studies and also reversal of coronary artery disease. Dr. Colin Campbell, which did the China study, he started showing the problems that can occur with cancer when you eat the wrong diets. Caldwell Esselstyn developed the book How to Prevent and Reverse Heart Disease, and also the movie Forks Over Knives. Michael Greger is basically the king of whole food plant based. Kind of wrote the Bible for how not to die, and all the evidence combined in one and a series of his books. Dr. Furman, who's coined the term nutritarian and many other ideas that we use regularly during the whole food plant based movement. Dr. Michael Clapper, Dr. Neil Bernard, John McDougall, Brenda Davis, an incredible nutritionist who lectures um, frequently on the whole food plant based diet, and Kim Williams, which basically was the head of the cardiologist in this country who coined the phrase um, there's two types of cardiologists: the ones who read the evidence, who believe in whole food plant based, and the ones that didn't. So the next step would be we will discuss a little bit of, are you ready to be plant based and vegetarian or vegan, and what are some of the stages that many people go through to make that decision. And we will discuss that during our next slide with our next um, snippet. Thank you for watching, and until next time.